Hey everybody, I'm Mike Lindle with Vocal Collective, and I messed up pretty bad. So I recently tried putting together a video out in Banff, Canada. I was shooting with my Canon A1 in aperture priority mode using the built-in light meter. I was using Provia 100f, it's a slide film, and pretty much every shot I got was like blown out, overexposed. Some of the shots looked pretty good. I'm gonna share the results with you, but the good shots I'm gonna leave kind of closer towards the end. That's when I was getting out into like Lake Louise, Lake Moraine, Peyto Lake, some of the hot spots when you go up and visit out there. Something that I shouldn't have done, which I did, was I was just using the auto light metering in my camera, kind of snapping a couple photos. I was actually out there for a bachelor party, so it was a lot of run and gun kind of things. The slide film, specifically Provia 100f, has a very limited dynamic range, right? The exposure limits are also a lot stricter, so you really need to nail like exposing properly for your highlights, because if you don't, your shot's gonna be completely blown out. When you overexpose slide film, it will discolor a little bit and things will start tinting blue before it all fades to white, which in some cases might add kind of a neat effect, but overall, you be the judge. I will judge. I will say some of them are bad. Some of them are not bad, but here's what the results look like when you overexpose Provia 100f.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Vocal Collective. Today we are going to be using the Canon A1 and Fuji Chrome Provia 100f, a film stock created by Fujifilm. We are in Banff, Canada. I've been backpacking out here for the last 7 days. So yeah, let's get started. You'll notice a lot of the rivers and lakes in this area are bright blue. That's because there's a lot of glacier silt and runoff, and that tints the water blue based on how light reflects off of it. This river right beside me, totally blue. So Fujifilm's Provia 100f actually replaced Fujifilm's Provia 100 due to its improved color fading resistance. This film stock is a slide film, meaning it's not negative, and this should be pretty good for bringing out the details in these mountains because it's a little less contrasty and a little less saturated. Probably one of the most popular locations out in Banff is Moraine Lake. You can see behind me. The water is so blue, it's crazy. I'm gonna go snag a quick shot. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to drop a comment below and like the video. We shot Provia 100f on a Canon A1 with a 50mm 1.4 lens.